guys, the last time we met up was on day 50 for the 100-day project, and this is the page we did together in real-time process video. And I told you there wasn't going to be any more videos for a while on the actual making of the pages, and that I would do a flip through every few pages or so. So today would be day 64. I haven't done 64 yet, but it is day 64. So I'm just going to sit here for a minute, and let me move my tea, and go through the pages with you that have been created since day 50. I have kept up. I've done one every day. I can't believe we're on day 64. It's just amazing to me that I've even done it, but I've kept it simple. And I think that's the key to this. I think keeping it simple is really helping me. So this is day 51. I've got them marked so that I know where to go because I'm bouncing around in my book. And you can see my book is rather large now. And we've still got several days to go. So this is day 51. And day 52, if I can find it easy. There we go. This is day 52 and 53. I'll just kind of hold it up there for a second so you can get a little bit of an idea of what they look like. And then, where's 54 and 55? Here, back here. Okay, day 54, right here, and 55. And then 56 and 57 are up here. And let's see which one's which. 56, 57. And let's see, 58, 59. 58, 59. Okay, let's see, 60 and 61, 60, 61. And then 62, 63, the last two pages I've done. This is 62 and this is 63. I'm really loving the simple pages here. They've been a lot of fun. So that's it. We are caught up. Today is day 64, and you know what? Y'all want to do 64 with me? I'll just go ahead and sit here and do 64. I'm here. The camera's on. Let's do 64 together, okay? All right, I'll be right back. Okay, I've gathered up a few things just to put on my table here and keep handy and pull from. So let's just start 64. Hi, I thought that since this was a short video, I would just talk to you through it rather than put music. And so far what I've done is taken a napkin and put part of it on my page. I just put glue down in the areas that I want the napkin, and then I tear off the napkin in areas that don't have the glue. Then I'm just securing down the edges a little bit so that it stays down a little bit better. Now this is gesso. I just put a little bit on my page, and I've got a old gift card that I'm spreading it around, and that way the color isn't so bold and doesn't fight with what I'm going to put on top, but you can still see the color in the background. And then I dried it, and then I've got a flower that's in the Happy Mail package, one of the Happy Mail packages that I've been using. And for those of you new to my channel, this is a Happy Mail project that I'm doing, 100 days of journaling with Happy Mail, using Happy Mail sent to me about 4 years ago for my birthday giveaway, except for one package that came during this project. And it's called the 100-Day Project. I didn't create it. It's someone else's baby, but I'm just following along, and Happy Mail happened to be what I chose to do. So now I'm gluing on the flowers. I cut part of it off because I wanted some on one side of the page and some on the other. I wanted a little bit bigger piece on one side than the other, so you can see it's not the same size. That's medical tape that someone, I don't remember who sent this one to me. I've mixed it all up now. I was keeping it separate, but now it's all a big mixture. But it's medical tape that was jelly printed on and decorated. So I just tore a strip off and cutting the shapes for the stems that I want. And I'm really enjoying the pages where nothing is the right shape, or when things don't match up or touch or connect. I really like that. I don't know why. Just something about those pages make me happy. So I'll be doing more of those. I think I'll be doing some canvases though. I think I'm going to be playing more with this type of work on canvas. Now I'm just cutting some odd leaf shapes, and that one's a little big, so I'll cut it down in a second. And I liked both colors of paper, so I couldn't decide which one to use, so I used both. So now I've got the leaf, the shape I want and the size I want, and I'm just going to put it on my page. And I'm gluing on top of a wax paper sheet so that I don't get glue all over my book and that it'll peel up easy when I want to peel it up. And I can cover the whole piece of paper easily that way. I drew my word. The words inspire. And I think at the end of the video I talk about how the words are running together now, but we'll wait to the end to hear that. That's just a little piece I punched out of a scrap. I just wanted a little something up at the top to put my word on top, so no rhyme or reason. Now I'm cutting a little piece of green that I'm going to attempt to put at the bottom of the page, but I don't like it, so we abandoned that idea. I just didn't like it down there. I rather scribble, so that's what we're going to do. And now let's see what's next. Oh, pencils. I am really loving working with pencils. This is just a regular number 2 pencil, and I love to scribble on my page and write my words, whatever words I want to write, like my name or numbers. And I just go around the different shapes, and then I wrote at the bottom, I think I wrote Laurie was here, which I write a lot on my pages. You can't read it, but that's what I write. And then I have a jumbo jet black pencil I used and a peel and sketch charcoal pencil that I used. Just gives different texture and different strengths of charcoal or darkness or lightness. We're going back to real time. Thanks for joining me. Number 64 is done, and I love it. I'm finding, as I've gone through this book and tried different things, that what I'm really enjoying, and I didn't do a lot of before this, so you learn as you play and practice, but I love the simple blocky pages, the ones where the shapes don't matter as much. I mean, there's no flower shape like that, but I love that. So I don't know. I like it when things aren't attached. I like the scribbly look. I just love everything about this page. Makes me happy. And I pulled the word inspire. And honestly, I've done 64 of these now, and I'm starting to see duplicate, triplicate words. It's like I've used this before, but I don't remember if I did or not. And I was trying to see that I didn't duplicate anything because I pulled another word the other day, unique, and it was already on here, so I knew I'd used it. But I think what I'm going to do is just stop caring about that too, because I made the list in my head. I just typed up the words. I didn't go back and review it. I didn't make sure I didn't have duplicates. So if I duplicated a word, it must be because I really like that word. So why should I deprive myself of putting it on here just because it's on another page? So if I've used the word inspire on here somewhere, I don't care. I'm just going to keep it and use it again. My friend Phoebe and I were talking the other day about, she thought she'd seen the word before, but she still liked it anyway. And I thought, you know, she's right. It doesn't really matter if you've used the word twice. So I'm going to stop worrying about that and just go with whatever word I pick. Okay, I hope you enjoyed day 64. It was kind of a quick thing I didn't plan to do, but I'm glad you were here with me. So thank you for being here, and I will see you probably on day 75. I'm not sure. If not, for sure, most likely on day 100. And I'll see you in other videos before then. Okay, guys, have a great day. I hope you're enjoying yourself this summer, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.